First things first, get the pechuga. Wanna make sure it's good. Sounds good, huh? What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Professor Pechugas, and I know it's been a minute, but we're back with the last recipe of the decade. Yes, last recipe of 2019. And this one personally is one of my favorites because why? It tastes good, it's quick, great for the gains, and you'll be a legend at the cookout. I'm talking grilled chicken street tacos. You're gonna need some pechugas, some fresh lemons. So we got some lemons right there. We're gonna use some seasoning. The one I like to use is this Montreal steak seasoning right here. This is a spicy one. It is for steak, but I like to use it on my chicken. You can't have street tacos without having some onions, so we're gonna chop up some onions. Chop it up. Chop up some onions. Chop up some onions. Some cilantro. No, this is not a mistletoe. This is cilantro. Let's go ahead and put these ingredients all together. First things first, get the pechuga. Wanna make sure it's good. Sounds good, huh? Get your boneless, skinless chicken breast. And then you wanna cut them into thin slices. All right, now that we've already chopped up the breast into thin slices, what we're gonna do now is grab our 2 lemons. See right here?
Squeeze. Oh damn, so juicy. Call me, so I can make it juicy for you. Call me. Next we're gonna grab our seasoning and go ahead and get a coat on the chicken. Now we flipped it to the other side, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Coat going. Get that good flavor. Cool.
Now you will have all your chicken breasts nice and marinated. Man, so look at that. You got the lemon in there, bathing, it's soaking. The breasts are soaking in those juices. And then we added that layer of Montreal steak spicy seasoning. We're gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the other ingredients that we're gonna be using. We're gonna chop up some onions, cilantro that we're gonna go ahead and slice up. So we start here with the onions. Let's go ahead and chop all that. Chop, dice onion. All right, cool. So now we've officially finished chopping the chopped red onion right here. And then we also have the chopped cilantro that we're gonna go ahead and add to the tacos as soon as they're done grilling. They should have been marinated for quite a bit now. So what we're gonna do now is prep the saucepan, and then slap it on there. I'm gonna cover the saucepan more. Breasts are done. Just shredded up the chicken. It's ready for tacos. Now all we need to do is just grab some tortillas, warm them up, and then we'll prep them. Tortillas are ready. So now we have all the ingredients essentially prepared. We got the grilled chicken, we got the tortillas, and we have our cebolla y cilantro, our diced onions, and cilantro. So let's go ahead and put this all together.
Take tortillas, just separate them. Boom. Just like that. Just like that. And then we had the accessories, a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of onions, a little bit of onions.
Ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. I even got it on a white plate for you, so you know it's real, so you know it's authentic, so you know we are having chicken, grilled chicken, street tacos. Take a look. Damn. So you got the grilled chicken, you got some cilantro, you got some cebolla, and you got some avocado. Thank you guys so much for all your support in 2019. I hope some of these recipes have been helpful for you, that you guys have been able to incorporate them into your diets. For those of you who are wanting to get a lot of flavor, build muscle, and live that healthy lifestyle when it comes to your training, whether that's cardio, weightlifting, whatever it is that you do to keep healthy, fit, keep everything nice and tight. Hopefully these recipes are helping you guys out with your dieting, because like I said in the previous video, the training can be the easy part. There's a bit of a learning curve, but once you understand it and once you get it, the challenge at times is gonna be staying on top of your food. You know, making sure you're eating well, making sure you're eating frequently enough so you guys can see the results. In any case, appreciate you guys for all your support. I'm gonna have a full-length cookbook with 21 plus recipes that you guys can leverage going into 2020. I know fitness is a big thing for a lot of people starting the new year, so that'll be coming to you guys shortly. I'll announce when that's dropping in the next 7 days or so. Until next time, we'll see you in 2020.